Hey, welcome everyone. This is Kodro and back with another video. If you are new to the channel, this is Kodro and we do Leetcode every day until I get a job or an internship. So this is day 30, 34, 34 I think. And as usual, we're gonna do some Leetcode problem. So yesterday we didn't do, or we didn't go on stream because I was a little bit sick. But today, as usual, gonna solve some LeetCode problem, and today problems are gonna be about the binary search. It's a antecedent LeetCode pattern or problem solving pattern. So before that, don't forget to join me on or to connect with me on GitHub. This is my GitHub, and you can find my social media account on the YouTube bio. This is my LinkedIn. This is my GitHub. This is my Instagram. And recently we did a service Discord to connect with you better. So feel free to join it any time you want. And like I said, today we're gonna do some LeetCode problem about the binary tree search. So the theme is Black Clover, Power Struggles, and Magic Battles. So the first, we're gonna try to do two or three problems today. So the first one is get the number higher or lower, and the theme is the Wizard King challenge. So prove your worth to the Wizard King by guessing his chosen magical number and showcasing your intuition. So without further ado, let's go to the LeetCode problems. Okay, let's bring the illustrator. So the stream is going fine. Am I streaming? Okay, I am. Okay. So, like I said, we are in the 75 LeetCode challenge. Today we're gonna do some binary search. So this is the problem, and okay, so over recent. Okay, so let's bring up this, make it here. Hey, do you have two monitors because you look too much up? Yeah, so I have the main monitor which the camera is on, like here, and the second monitor which I stream on is up. Hey, welcome stream by the way. Okay, so guess number higher or lower. So you are playing the guess game. The game is as follows. Pick a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether number is picked higher or lower. Oh, so this is the childhood game. So you call predefined APE int guess int num, which return three possible solutions, which are -1 your guess. Sorry, chat, I'm a little sick. So -1 your guess is higher than the number picked. Num is higher than pick. Your guess 1 is gonna return 1 if your guess is lower than the number picked, and 0 is guess equal to the number I picked. So n, it's 10 and pick equals 6, so output 6, so it's gonna output the number picked. I just found the from yesterday. Hey, thank you, man. Inshallah, man. Welcome stream, by the way. Okay, so let's break into this into small parts. So he's gonna return -1 if your guess is higher than the number I picked. Okay, so let's make it easy. So the program or the this thing is gonna pick a number, so it's gonna define it as pick equal like Okay. Uh, okay. And we're gonna guess. So we have three potential answers, which are -1, 1, and 0. So -1 if num is greater than pick, and 1 if num is lower than pick, and 0 if num equal to pick. So we have three conditions. By the way, I want to start learning Python to program and automate robots and stuff. That's not a book, I don't like it. Well, I think to start with Python, you can follow the W3 schools. They have really awesome tutorials and quiz. You can start with it. I really learned Python in uni for like 3 years. Maybe I'm gonna start with exercise, but then learn from A to Z. Yeah. So every chapter you read, or every new information you get, you have to practice it. So practice it with the little project, or like little quiz, and that's better than just revise on all the the thing and then practice it. So practice by parts, by smaller parts. Okay, so I think we have three conditions. So so this condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. So if condition 1, what's we gonna do? Okay, so let's say we have 10. Okay, so have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if the pick is 6. Okay, so the pick is 6, and I chose like, okay, fuck man. So I chose n equal like 3. So if I chose 3, so the num is lower than the pick, so it's gonna tell me. Okay, so I'm gonna delete 3, or 3 and beyond 3, because if the pick is greater than 3, so it is greater than 2 and 1 also. Okay, so on this thing, in this kind of problem, we'll use the 3 pointers, which are left, mid, and right. So we're gonna initialize left here, and this is right, and this is mid. So if the pick is greater than num, so I think the left will be here. So left will be left plus 1. So this this cheat sheet, I prepared it for the binary search, so I think that's gonna help us. Okay, so the left will be here, and if not, so if if then I picked 7, so he's gonna tell me that 7 is greater than the pick, so 7 is greater than 6, so we're gonna delete all those, which mean the right will be right here, so the right will be, oh no, the right will be 7 minus 1, so num minus 1. Okay, oh, so here L will be num plus 1, and here it's gonna be num minus 1, and every time we update those two variables until the mid reach the reach the current pick. Yeah, I think that's correct. So let's go. Okay, so let's do it. Can we do it here? Okay, okay. So I have three conditions. So if guess of what am I gonna guess? Do I have to define it? Okay. So let's just define the pointers. So this left and this right, the left will be 0 and the right will be n, which is 10. So where is the input pick? Huh? Oh, I'm gonna define the guess itself. Okay, the guess API is already defined for you. Oh, so the guess will return those. No. Guess n. Okay, so let's try it. So if we have three conditions, if guess equal then plus equal okay, so 1 plus and if 0 then plus. Okay, so what did we say? So in the case of -1, so in the case of 1, L will be none plus 1. L will be okay, so so I'm gonna define the non so L equal no plus 1. Oh, we have to mention mid. So the mid will be L plus R divided by 2. So L oh, so we have to make a while here. While, so this is it. So while mid is not the pick. Okay, so we're gonna try with it later. So here num plus 1, and here okay, or I'm gonna make it while true. So true, and here the left will be selected by, and the right will be incremented by 1. And here if we find it, we're gonna simply return the num. No, he's gonna guess every time. Okay, so we have to make it in this. Okay. Oh, and this also. No, so this is it. Okay, so return num. I think this is good. I'm only so it's an infinite loop. So I think so time limit exceed. So the while true, it's not. Okay, so print no. I'm gonna make it while is equal to 5, and here I plus. So I'm gonna run it for 4 times. Okay, so I equal 0. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna print the num, and I'm gonna print the net to see what's not going. Okay. Oh no. No. This is returning a true or false. So okay, so I'm gonna make it r minus 1 and f minus 1. Okay, so okay, so minus 1, 5, 4, 4, 3, minus 1, which means minus 1 num is greater than pick. Num is greater than pick. He has to. Okay. He has to go up. So if num minus 1 is 1, the right. Oh, I think this is. Maybe able continuous. Okay. So okay. If num equal 0, return. Or if num equal mid. No. If I think we had the approach is good. So here we have 6. 0 0. I'm just this is so I don't know. It is always returning. Okay, 0 -1 -1. Is it normal? Dot print. Hey, welcome stream, but I'm not using Java, so uh, num and your guess. So I think this is a false one. So every time we're gonna pick a number. Okay, so okay, so this parameter is false. So this parameter is our pick. So if mid, so I'm gonna make it mid. Okay, so I'm gonna make it mid. Okay, so num equal guess of mid, and let's make mid here. Oh, so let's just print mid and no. Okay, so 1, which means then the num is okay. No, you have to 0 1 -1 -2. So if num equal -1, then we have to make the right. The left +1. Left equal the not +1 like mid. So I'm gonna try with mid. Okay. Okay, so I'm not understanding anything. I really don't understand this. So this the guests I have to make it like the mid. So I'm gonna give him a guess. So I'm gonna make 3. If my guess is I'm gonna increment the n. So I'm gonna guess by the middle. If it's not the middle, so if the middle is greater than the pick, so we're gonna lower. Oh no, greater than the pick. Okay. So we're gonna lower the right, and this is this should work. Okay, so 6-0. Okay, 1-0 and 1-0. Okay, so here we return the so this is true until we return the num. Oh, return the mid. Mid actually. Okay, so this should work. We are 26 minutes. Okay, so 2-1. 2-1. 117. So it's slower. Output limit exceed. Okay, so we should not just increment -1 because it's gonna be too slow. So I think I'm gonna make it mid. Redundant. Redundant. Okay, so we're good. Okay, we're good. And yeah, the runtime is not the high. Okay, so 31 milliseconds in 27 minutes. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is this. And with this problem, we have the second one, which is successful pairs of spells and potion. The alchemist test, so combine spells and potion to create an ultimate magical weapon against the speed kingdom. Okay, so let's go. And you can do something like num return mid at the beginning. Yeah. Okay, so let's check if the knife is doing good. Okay, yeah, he's doing fine. So I think here we're gonna make the binary search traversal. I think, yeah. So okay, you're given two positive integer array spell 1 and potion of length n and m respectively, where spells of I represent the strength of the ith spell, and potions G represent the strength of the Gth potion. You are also given an integer success. A spell and potion pair is considered successful if the product of their strength is at least success. Okay, so return integer array pairs of length n, where pairs of I is the number of potion that will form a successful pair with the I spell. Okay, so spell 513, potion 1 2 3 4 5 7 success. So spell 5 will be that. So we have four numbers that are higher than the success. So it is 4. And then is 0 and then 3. Okay, so the output. Okay, I get it. I get it. Okay, so okay, so let's start a new one. So this Morpheus Pro. Oh, man, I'm really doing my fastest, man. Welcome stream, by the way. Okay, so here we have two arrays, which are spells like 5, 1, 3, and potion, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I think we can simply do this problem with the classical way, which is like looping through the two lists and multiplying every element with the element in the list. Like with 5 we can multiply the 5 by 1, and then by 2, and then by 3, by 4, by 5, and we're gonna make every result, so 10, 15, and then we store those, or we count those in a, hey, thank you, man, and we count those. So this is 4, so we're gonna make it in a list 4, and then go to the other one and count more, and then put it all in a list, which is 403, and return it. But I think that the time complexity of this will be, so this length is n and this is m. Yeah, so this is m, this is n, this is m, so the time complexity will be O n multiplied by m. And I think there is a more optimal way to solve this with a much lower of honestly time complexity. So let's think about another approach. Okay, so let's put all this here. Let's erase all this. Okay. So what is this? 8, 5, 8. Okay, so can we make the 2 pointers again? Okay, I'm thinking of a, so I think we can first start by sorting this list, which is portion. So we're gonna make a sort on it to be sorted, and then if the first element that is higher than 6's, which is like 10, is higher than 7, so the rest logically will be more than they'll be greater than 7. So if this number is greater than the success, we know that the rest of the list is greater than 7. So we're gonna just count this number of elements. So those are 4, and we're gonna make it in a list. Oh, so we don't have to iterate the whole list. Yeah, so we're gonna reduce the time complexity of the thing. Okay, so and then we're gonna do the same thing. So I think that will be n. So that will be n, and the sort is I think m log m, the complexity, and that's n, and that's log n, or Oh, so I think it will be n log m. So the whole time complexity is better than n by m or multiplied by m, honestly. So okay, let's go. So let's sort. So first we're gonna sort the portions list. Okay, so portions or potions dot sort. Oh wait, I'm not gonna. Okay. Potions dot sort. And then we're gonna iterate through spells. So for s in spells, I think here we're gonna define the left and the right like we did in the previous problem. So the left will be 0 and the right will be len of potions -1. Yeah, -1. Okay. And then so I think there will be one condition, which is if the s multiplied by the mid. So I'm gonna define mid also. So mid equal l plus r all divided by 2. Okay. So let's do it faster. So if s multiplied by mid. Okay, so s multiplied by mid is greater than success. What should I gonna do? Okay, so let's do it again. So 5, 1, 3, and here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and okay, and 5. So if 5, okay, so this is the left and this is the right and the mid is here. So if 5 multiplied by mid, which is 3, okay, so it's 15. So the rest will be greater, okay, but this we have to check this also. So we're gonna increment r by 1. Okay, so let's test another thing. If 1 multiplied by 3, it's lower, then we have to increment l by 1. Okay. So if success, so we're gonna do, we're gonna increment, or just make the r equal mid. So because mid -1, not gonna, okay, and if it's not, we're gonna then the left will be the mid. Oh no, but in every iteration we have to try this multiple times. So I think here there is a while. Okay, so here there is a while and we're gonna make the condition later. Okay, so while and we're gonna stop. Where are we gonna stop? Oh, I think we're gonna stop when the left equal the right. The left equal the right. Until the left equal the right. Because I'll have to put it in a nice way. To start over. Okay, so I have here 5, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is left and this is right and this is mid. So 5 will be 15. So we're gonna lower right. Can we put right lower? Okay, so I'm gonna lower it. So I'm gonna lower it till to mid. Okay, so I'm gonna make it to mid and the mid. So this is the right. So the mid will be here. Then we're gonna multiply it another time the 5 by 10 will be 10 which is greater than the success. So we're gonna make the right with the mid and then the mid. So 0 plus 1 will be 0. So 5 plus 0 is not. So it's gonna increment. No. So this is the problem. When okay, so let's just try it like this. And while L is not R, so L is not R. Okay, so and then what we're gonna do? So the right, so we're gonna take the list of the right. After all this, we're gonna we have to make another list. So this is the final list. So I think here we're simply gonna append. So final dot append final dot append the length of the length of the mid of the slicing of the spell of the potions. Okay. So potions of right till the end. I think that's it. And after all this, we return the final. Okay, so let's do it. Top tier, not kind of niche. Okay, so I'm gonna define it here. Or in every, so on every, okay. In CPP is just lower bound, lol. What? So okay, so list end unsupported lower bound. Okay, so I'm gonna discover what is this. CVP lower bound. Okay, so what is this? Build function use it to find the position of an unsorted range that has a value not less than the given value. Oh, so this is a list. Lower bound, we begin, we end. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's more simple, yeah. CP has built-in binary search function. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna discover it. I'm gonna work with it very soon. I'm gonna try to work whether in Java or C++. What do you advise me, chat? Do you advise me to work on it with C++ or Java? Oh, this not here. So, okay, so success. Doubting animation must stand off. Okay, so it's an infinite loop. Okay. So it's an infinite loop. Yeah, like I thought. So in this example, in this test case, L equals 0 and right equal 1. So the mid will be, I think, 0. It should be 1. Can I try it with L plus 1 and L minus 1? What project have you made till now? I did today. I presented a project to my uni, which is donation management in in a company that I did my internship last summer on it. So I did the donation thing with Django. This is my biggest project. I did e-commerce. I did. You can find my GitHub. So I think till now, I built a restaurant management with ISP.NET that I'm gonna push it to GitHub. So I did this Django project, which is so I did a car selling platform with Django and a donation thing. This 3JS project, which is rotating a 3D model and clicking on it with to know better information about it. So this is my GitHub. This is my repo. You can find all my project in it. So the Django project, the Laravel, which is a e-commerce project. I'm starting a React Laravel, so I'm working with to make a survey website. This architecture agency website, I did it also. E-commerce, a sample portfolio, e-commerce, memory game test, memory game, like the card game. And yeah, it's not the big of a deal, but I think I'm gonna improve. Okay, so can we try it like this? I think it's gonna be a time exceed also. Yeah, okay, so time exceeded. Okay, so if while is lower, I think there is no a pick of a I think, but I think So what's about the case of mid equals success? Or if like, what if 5 for 13 and the success is 15? So it's at least success. Oh, at least. Yeah. Oh, so the condition is not even. Okay, so yeah, this should work. But I can replace this with mid. Okay, okay, so we're close, So our output is 413 and this is 403. This is not correct, okay. So I'm gonna change this to mid because we're not really using it. So mid. So okay, the same thing but with a time complexity lower. So this R is not. So the problem I think with the R. So this -1. This is +1. Okay, so if 5 for okay, I think this is good, but gift up man. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you. Welcome stream, man. Okay, since this is not, I'm gonna make it simply else. Can I? Okay, same problem. Okay, so there is no other errors. Oh, okay, that's good. Then, okay, so every time I want to see the okay, every time I have to see the print. Okay, so right equal L, left equal L. Okay, why not mid? So mid. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, in the first iteration, 5, so right equal 1 and left equal 0. Mid equal 2. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. So why the mid? Okay, the mid is 3. Okay. Okay, I have to print also the S for mid. What browser are you using? It's Opera GX Gaming. Yeah, I think it's pretty futuristic, you know. So okay, so this 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10, and then the right will be 1, the left will be 1. Why the left is 1? So the mid equal to, make it mid. Okay, so it's not moving. Okay. So it's 10, mid 0. Oh, but it's not multiplied by mid, but it's multiplied by potions of mid, actually. Potions of mid. Yeah, it's not mid. No, this is not. Okay, so this potions of mid. I think that's correct. I think the problem is probably from floor div. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. The output was that was better. Okay, so 10, so 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and then right equal 1. Why right equal 1? Why did we increment? Oh, left, I think. Left, I said. Right is 1, mid equal 0. So mid 0. Okay, so I'm not. Okay, so this will be 5, 8, 5, 8, 8. 5, 8, 8. And 3, 4, 8. 3 multiplied by 8. Why the left and the right are zeros? Not really understanding anything. So len of potions. So while L mid R. Oh, so he's already doing the increment thing. So right, okay, so here right equal 4 and left equal 0, mid equal 2, so mid equal 10. And then he made the right equal 1. So the right made him equal 1. Okay. And left. Okay, so this is the problem. So this is the problem. Okay, so I'm gonna make it if L, or if there is only one if right minus left equal minus left equal 1, so that they are in this position or this situation, I'm gonna simply break the loop. So I think this should work. Okay. So how am I gonna do this here? So I think I'm gonna make r equal and then try just do L equal mid. Okay. It's output. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add a variable index, which is gonna be the weakest index, and I'm gonna store in it m. So I'm gonna make index 1 equal len of potions, and I'm gonna store in it m or r, the mid. Okay, so index 1 equal mid, and then I'm gonna simply return minus index. Minus index 1. Okay, chat. Oh, so that's working. Okay. So the thing that I added a index, which is the len of potion heal. So the index will be in the last thing, like it's like the right, and then if the potion is mid, so I'm just gonna store the index 1, which is the mid position, which is here like 1, and then I'm simply gonna append it like the potion minus the index. Hope that works. Man. Oh, it's like 51 out of 56 test case. Okay, so how am I supposed to do all those? Okay, can I just try it? Okay. No. That's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Am I supposed to... How's not... How's that not working? Okay, so I really don't find. I'm not finding the correct thing. I'm not finding the issue. Why is not working, man? Why it is not working? Can I? Output limit exceed. Oh, so it's so the logic is good, but the limit. Um. Okay, so I'm just gonna use chat. I'm just gonna type the error. So uh, just to see why the time. So okay. So why there is time exceeded. It seems like we're running out of time now. See, due to the complexity of your code, the main issue with the nested loop. Yeah, okay, same thing. Why? Okay, so he's not like just this. Okay. So he just not using the index thing. Am I right? So final solve, final SLR. So he's not using index. Okay. So R equal mid minus 1, L equal mid minus 2, append minus L. Minus L. It's not minus. What? Minus L is. It has to be minus right. Okay, so let's just delete all this. The index. Oh yeah. So yeah. Even if I just copy it and paste it, it's gonna make a time exceeded thing. Oh my god. What? It's the same thing. Okay, so I'm not gonna print. No, the print thing is not. Okay. So what is the difference here? Final, else if mid. So what's the thing? Okay, so we didn't really need the index, but why? I don't really understand this. Okay, so why it is minus L and not minus right? So catch the reason. Lies in the state of variable of So left represent the index at which s is greater than. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So he's appending this. If he appended from 3 to 4, he have to. He has to like delete those two. So he's deleting from the left, from the left to the beginning of the list. Okay, okay. So I get it. I get it. Okay. So actually, is it good? This is a good like. Oh, but the runtime is so high, but it's a good problem, I think. So I just want to see what other did. So easy in Java Python. Okay. So let's start see the Python. Spells, post, pairs, sort, spells left. Okay, so what's the approach? So without wasting more time, if you're already bored from this stream, you can end up like here and we'll discover the solution, or you can see the solution yourself. So it is 2300 successful pairs of spell and potion. Now it's 1 hour 11 minutes. So I think the stream will end up here. Thank you everyone. This could draw this day 34. Thank you everyone for following. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone, and every day a new video. So I hope I see you tomorrow, and have a good night.